Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Mobile Legends and navigating to Account Settings. Sign into your Moonton account immediately. Enter the email or phone tied to Moonton, then request the verification code and paste it when prompted. Once done, confirm linking and allow any requested permissions so progress syncs. You do this now to avoid account conflicts later, and linking early prevents accidental guest account overwrites. So act deliberately and watch the confirmation message. Next, verify that Mobile Legends displays the correct game ID and username from your Moonton profile. This ensures you're merging the right accounts. Choose Link Account or Migrate Data, and follow on-screen prompts to transfer skins, heroes, and ranked history. Once the transfer runs, check inventory and match history to confirm successful migration. Make sure to enable two-step verification for added security, because once data moves, it becomes harder to reverse without the linked Moonton credentials. Finally, log out of Mobile Legends and sign back in with your Moonton account to confirm the link persists across sessions. Update recovery info and store credentials securely so you can regain access if needed. You'll want that for purchases and rank retention. If something goes wrong, errors, missing items, or failed verification, clear the app cache, retry the linking steps, and only then contact Moonton support with screenshots. A common fix is cache reset. Try it before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.